Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are continuing with our topic, that is test on cement. So in last couple of videos we have seen this test: fineness test, standard consistency test, soundness test, setting time test, in which we have seen initial and final setting time test. Now in this video we are continuing with compressive strength test. So this is our fifth test, that is compressive strength test. So first of all we will see what is meant by compressive strength. Okay, so first of all we see what is meant by compression. So compression is the phenomenon which apply on any body which tends to reduce the volume of that particular body. Okay, and to resist that shrinkage or resist that change in the volume, the internal stress generated by this body, by any particular body, it is called as its compressive strength of the body. Okay, so it is the resistance which is given against the change in the volume or shrinkage of the volume. So this is about the compressive strength, and to determine this compressive strength in the concrete we take the test, that is compressive strength test. Okay, now we will move towards the actual process which is used to find out the compressive strength test of the cement. So the equipment that we need, that is compressive strength machine, and we need a mold. Okay, so cement mold to make the cement cubes. Now we will move towards the procedure. So initially we take 3 cubes. Okay, we take 3 cubes, and the size of this cube is around 70.7 mm cube. Okay, so the size is around 70.7 mm cube. Okay, and the surface area of this mold, surface area of this particular mold is around 50 centimeter square. Okay, 50 centimeter square. Now all of the 3 cubes or molds are filled up with the cement mortar. So in the next step it is filled with the cement mortar. Okay, and the proportion that we kept, or the ingredient that we kept in the mortar, it is cement, sand, and along with the water. Okay, and water. The cement, the quantity of cement that we use, around 185 grams. Then sand is around 555 grams. Okay, and the water we will write here, and the water we use P by 4 plus 3.0 in case of standard sand. Okay, in case of standard sand, and the alternative one P by 4 plus 3.5 if we use ordinary sand. Okay, if we use ordinary sand. Okay, so this is the basic proportion which is kept to form the cement mortar, and through these we fill all these 3 cubes. Then this cement mortar is filled up in these particular cubes, and these cubes are kept for 24 hours at the room temperature. For Indian condition, the room temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. So we kept it for 24 hours. Okay, and these cubes are placed for 24 hours, and then it is sent into the compressive strength machine. Okay, and the compressive strength we can determine as follows. We can determine it after 24 hours. Okay, or simply we say 1 day. After 1 day, then we take the second measurement on 3rd day, and the third observation we made on a 7th day. Okay, so if we using OPC, okay, if we use OPC cement, then it gives the compressive strength after 3 days around 160 kg per centimeter square, kg per centimeter square, and after 7 days it gives the compressive strength around 220 kg per centimeter square. Okay, now we will see the compressive strength for RHC, that is rapid hardening cement. So after 24 hours, that is after 1 day, it gives the strength that is obtained in the OPC in the 3 days, that is in the RHC after 1 day we got the strength of 160 kg per centimeter square. Okay, so this is obtained after 24 hours, and after 3 days in rapid hardening cement we got the strength of around 235 kg per centimeter square. Okay, kg per centimeter square. Okay, So this is about the compressive strength of the cement. So in the tensile strength, now we will see the tensile strength test. So it is much more similar to the compressive strength test. Okay. So before studying this chart, we will see the difference between compressive strength test and tensile strength test. So in the compressive strength test, as we seen earlier, that we use 3 cubes for testing, and in the tensile strength we use around 6 cubes. Okay, so this is the difference between these both of the tests, but remaining procedure is almost same. So now we will see this chart, which the chart of this strength. So compressive strength, once again we revise it here. So it is represent in kg per centimeter square, and tensile strength also represent in the kg per centimeter square. So in the compressive strength, if we use OPC, we test it after 3 days. The strength we obtain in the OPC after 3 days, that is 160 kg per centimeter square. Okay, and after 7 days it is around 220 kg per centimeter square. And if we use rapid hardening cement, then the compressive strength after 1 day or 24 hours around 160 kg per centimeter square, and after 3 days it is around 235 kg per centimeter square. Now we will see the tensile strength. So if we use OPC cement, then after 3 days we got the strength of 20 kg per centimeter square. After 7 days we obtained 25 kg per centimeter square. And if we use rapid hardening cement, then after 24 hours it is around 20 kg per centimeter square, and after 3 days it is around 30 kg per centimeter square. So it is quite easily observable that compressive strength of the cement is always greater than its tensile strength cement. Okay, so this is all about the compressive strength and tensile strength. So in the next video we will continue with the remaining all tests which are performed on the cement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.